5 easy ways to get your roof cleaned, coming up next.
Number 1. Professional roof cleaning services. Hiring a professional roof cleaning company is the safest and most effective way to clean your roof. These roof companies have the expertise, specialized equipment, and knowledge to perform thorough and safe roof cleaning. Number 2. Pressure washing. Pressure washing involves using a high-pressure water spray to remove dirt, debris, algae, and moss from the roof surface. Pressure washing could be quite effective at cleaning your roof. Number 3. Soft washing. Soft washing is a gentler alternative to pressure washing, suitable for more delicate roofing materials like asphalt shingles or clay tiles. Number 4. Chemical cleaning. Chemical cleaning involves applying specialized cleaning solutions to the roof to dissolve and remove dirt, stains, and organic growth. This method is often used for roofs with significant algae or moss buildup. Number 5. Manual cleaning. This involves physically removing debris, leaves, and dirt by hand, or with the help of tools like brushes or brooms. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this.